The day is here. The day is finally here.
GolfCartingTV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey, and welcome to GolfCartingTV. My name is Matt White with Converted Carts, and so glad to have you here today. So today has been the build-up of several months of building my own cart, and I'll tell you, those who are out there building their own carts, whether you're an individual builder or a dealer, builder, seller, whatever you want to call it, I feel your pain, and I understand what's going on now that I have gone through this all myself. So this is the third in a series of 3 videos where I have been building my own cart started as a 2018 EZGO TXT, but kind of been building up to today. If you haven't seen the other 2 episodes, go watch those. I got it from driving off the trailer right off the golf course all the way to today's final build. So go back and watch those other couple videos. But let's jump in and see how this thing turned out. What started as a 2018 EZGO TXT right off the golf course is now what we're calling converted. If anybody out there wants to make a little nameplate and logo for us, I'm open to such things, but she'll be called converted. And what we have here is a black storm body. So what you'll see mostly on the outside is the black storm body that completely replaced everything as far as the body goes. And then what's really shining is these 15-inch Spider rims by GTW with the off-road, all-terrain, Nomad tires. Probably my favorite thing of the whole build. We've got a rocker panel set with some nameplates with Mad Jacks, because a lot of my stuff here is Mad Jacks. So I wanted to give them some props and credit. And then what you see here on the floor is the Deco Mats custom mat that they made just for us. And obviously the goal is a little bit of branding, which is cool. We replaced the dash. It's just a general replacement. Don't have any stereo speakers or anything like that, but it just cleaned everything up, made it nice, new, shiny, and embedded the electronics up in the front. So we've got a USB, a couple USB connectors. These are connected to our lights, which is for hazards, and the key was just replaced with its existing keyhole. I'll come back to some of these other things. We replaced the steering wheel, and that's a Goosey steering wheel, and then the light kit, everything came with the storm body, so we'll show you that in a little bit here as well. We've got some Mad Jacks Tsunami seats. These are replacement front seats, and they are as comfortable and as cool as they look. These are available in all kinds of colors. So I've got what's called the hot rod red, and if you look closer, it's just they've got this great texturing. The piping, the whole deal is just really makes a splash, and then nice little touch with the place to hold your cell phone, things like that. Speaking of cell phones, I also have an awesome product. This is the phone caddy from Desert Fox Golf, and we sell these guys on the website as well. Just search phone caddy or go into the accessories section. But these things are great. They adjust for front and back as well as side to side, and good for any phone. Went ahead and put one on the passenger side and one over there on the driver's side. We also have mirrors, so in order to make this guy street legal, or this lady, I guess we could say, this lady street legal, we put some rear view and side view mirrors as well. We did not connect these, I'm not electrical very much, and you'll see from some of my previous videos, but what I have heard after the fact, so this has a blinker that actually shows up and connects to your light kit if you wanted to. We just did not do that, but the nice thing about it is that it shows your blinker here and helps you remember to turn off your blinkers whenever you turn the blinkers on for a while. But those are also from Magix. Really the only stuff that is the same on the vehicle is these hip restraints we kept, the front struts for the windshield, these guys stayed the same, and you can see the frame, although we did replace the dash, the upper, we don't have this piece down there, was never replaced. Otherwise, everything you can see on the cart, from the Bimini or Bimini topsail top, whichever you want to call, from Red Dot all the way down to the base and the lift kit and everything else is all 100% new. So I'll come back here to the front. We did a 5-inch drop axle lift from Magix, and if you watch some of the previous videos, I show you some of the process in that, but lifted it up a good bit, and then with those 23-inch tires on top of that 5-inch lift, it really does lift this guy a whole lot off the floor. If you see, it's got quite a bit of coverage there. Again, love the wheels, love the tires, love the lift. Back over here to the front, so we did put seat belts across everywhere. These are again for street legal, so you see those on the two front seats as well as the rear seats, which I'll touch on in just a minute. One pretty cool thing is we had a custom steering wheel puck or cover, depending on what you want to call that, that has our logo on it. That's something that's coming, so look for something like that. I think we have some creative ideas to kind of have some fun with that. But we took a Goosey steering wheel and we're able to customize that to our own logo, and we have some other ideas, like I said, coming on that. Again, just another view from the side for the deco mats. Just awesome. These guys just sit right in, replace the old mat, and roll right over. And it's all based on the type of cart that you have and the year and everything. So lots of existing designs and stuff there, but you can certainly get some customized stuff as well. One really cool thing, and this is something that we, hopefully when this email or this video comes out, we'll be selling these guys, but this is the Buddy Vision heads-up display. So what happens here, this is actually a speedometer, and I have this connected, and you'll hear when it comes on, so you can see it from this side. But what's cool is that it actually shows up. It's flashing because I'm in the video, but it officially doesn't flash. But it shows your speed right up on the windshield. So instead of having something that takes up space on the dash, it just reflects that right up on the steering or on the windshield. And again, Buddy Vision is the brand, and this is the heads-up display, and we will offer them for sale on convertedcarts.com, and I will put a link in the description for that for sure. So what we have up here is this storm body windshield, and what the difference is it actually customized these specifically to the storm body, so you can see that it wraps right along the frame there of the body and covers really nice and tight. And then it's a tinted folding windshield, and so it'll pop up there and cover your stuff as good. We did replace, again, all this is storm body kit stuff, so everything you see in black is what was replaced in the original green golf cart green body. And so we added in, we put in new Trojan batteries, and again, just had to replace, when we went through the process of installing the storm body, just had to replace using that existing charger piece. And we did get the new Reliance 720 industrial battery charger, which is awesome, and it's safe and fast in charging and all that fun stuff. So here's our rear seat. This is the GTW Mach 3 version. What I decided to do was keep the base black back here and kind of spice it up with the colors in the front. I felt like might have been a little overdone with so much red, and it's also just my kids who are sitting back here, so didn't have to worry too much about extreme comfort. But this guy flips open to be a nice rear flip seat. You can store things. I go take it to the grocery store and put some stuff on the back here. In this particular model, we do not have the ability to put in the storage kit, but it does give us some space for storage if and when we wanted to put that in there. And I'm going to show you the trunk here in just a minute. Here is the trunk, and this is a little something special. The guys out at Glenn's Golf Car Central helped me out. So I don't have the plates yet, nor do I have this hooked up, but ultimately these little guys are LED lights, and then the license plate will screw into here, and then that way I've got lit on the license plate so that it will qualify for the street legal. This guy pops off, and then this is ultimately what is in the back. There's my electrical stuff. I've got to finish tying that back together, but just awesome. I think the look and the feel, and here's one thing that I really love. If you kind of look, it just has got a really nice stance. We've got 2-inch spacers. Try to see if we can see those under here. 2-inch spacers that we put in on the rear wheels on both sides there, and then we have 1-inch spacers on the front. And what that does is gives us a chance to kind of push out those wheels and include the kind of expanded stance there a little bit. When you put on a lift kit like this, it automatically pushes the wheels out just a little bit. And so in order to match up the front to the back, we wanted to, again, kind of add a little bit more on the back, a little bit less on the front. I'm going to show you some lights here. I know it's light outside, but just to kind of show what it does do. This is the storm body. Has some nice LED lights. They're currently coming out with some Luxe edition. But I'm also, sorry I don't have any help here today to do this, but put my turning signal on. So you can see it's got turning signals, bright lights, soft lights, running lights, and that happens in the back as well. I'm going to turn those guys off. But everything is controlled just like automotive, just like a car, and I think it's been so much fun. So there she is, Miss Converted. Hope you liked this, hope you had fun watching the process. I do have 2 other videos during the build. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It has been a lot of fun working on it. I was able to do some of it with my son, if you've seen some of those videos, and the time that I was able to spend, but also learned a ton. So it's just been awesome. So if you like that and you liked what you saw and you have any interest in getting to know more of those parts and all those kind of things, everything that you see on that cart we sell at convertedcarts.com. So I will include a full list with links to all the parts, whether you wanted to do a different color version or whatever. I'll have all of that listed in the details here. So take a look at that. Hope you enjoyed everything, and we'll be back here again next Wednesday at noon.